Hi guys, there's a small possibility that CAT people might not give us the exact number of questions which are going to come in the exam. Yeah, in that case, my strategy is going to drastically change. So there are two kind of strategy: Garib student and Amir student. Amir matlab those who are doing well in the mocks or those who are good in the topic, they are going to follow. They should ideally follow this strategy. This is my foolproof strategy for the Amir student. And for the Garib student, they can try one of the two strategies. So let's talk about them. So, but before we go into that, let's talk about what update, why I'm saying that CAT might not disclose the paper pattern. So let's check out here. So this is a mail sent by a student to CAT authority that can you please tell us by when we'll come to know the exact number of questions. So they have told, they have given the reply. Let's check out the reply here. CAT generally does not reveal the number of questions. We always assume it's 100. They have never said it's 100. Yeah. And does not become more predictable. So it already announced that number of sections, there will be three sections and 40 minutes per section to familiarize themselves with a different type of question, MCQ, non-MCQ. They'll be giving a sample mock in October. Most probably the number of questions in the sample mock is actually the number of questions which come in the exam. That's traditionally they have followed the same trend. But as per this message which have come from IIM Indore, so we can assume for the timing the number of questions we're not going to know. So how many questions will be in the mock nobody have any idea. So everything is speculation based, that there will be 75 questions or 60 questions or 66 questions or maybe no change, 100 questions. So we have to wait for that, but I can't wait not to give the mock till that time. So in every mock you have to strategize. So for the time being, what I'm thinking of, let's keep the number of questions at 30. You can recommend me on that. Yeah, I'm open to idea, because at CET King mocks they changed the timers. Timer have been changed, but the number of questions we are still waiting for the confirmation. Yeah, question come karna bahut easy kaam hai. It's a one-day task. Look at the paper pattern, expect the new paper pattern and change the mocks as per this. I can tell my team in one day how many questions have to be removed and from where have to be removed. Yeah, it can be implemented in 3 days. So next mock, by the time you give next mock, you will be ready with the new paper pattern. But we don't know the exact number of questions. Yeah. So how the strategy can be formed? So there are 3 ways you can look at strategy. Strategy number 1 is pick up the favorite topic first. The moment I am anyway, if you give me a 34 question, you give me 25 question, you give me 20 question in the CAT exam, for example, my weak area, Garib student, I'm weak in quant. So you give me any number of question, I might not be able to perform. एक सच्ची बात बताऊँ गरीब लोगों के लिए, सर आप हमें 34 दो, 34 दो, 30 दो, 25 दो, 20 दो, घंटा भी फर्क नहीं पड़ता मेरे को, बिकॉज मेरे आने 4 मार्क्स ही है. दैट्स अ टिपिकल आंसर फॉर ऑल द गरीब स्टूडेंट. इट डजंट मेक अ डिफरेंस हाउ मेनी क्वेश्चन यू डू. सो आई विल फोकस ऑन माई स्ट्रॉन्ग एरियाज. बट good side is yes, I can pick up all my strong areas, percentages, profit and loss. I will find out all those questions, scan the paper and do all those questions first. But on the negative side, what if your favorite topic become tough? CAT 2018 was conducted by IIM Calcutta and they made arithmetic very tough. और सबके लग गई, because arithmetic was the main area. So I recommend all the students कि चलो अपन इस बार modern maths पे focus करके जाएंगे. CAT 2019 they made modern maths very tough. Arithmetic become easy. 2020 what will happen? We have no idea. If your favorite topic flop on that day, whatever the favorite topic, whatever topic you've done, if they become difficult, you are gone. फिर ये दिल टूटेगा तुम्हारा और ये एरो पीछे से जाएगा. फाइन. और फिर जब दिल टूटेगा तो बहुत दुख होएगा. So this strategy can falter in that place. Strategy number 2. Yeah, let's divide the paper into timing. 20 minutes. So I'm going to break my paper in 20. So we're playing a 20 ka match kind of thing. In the first 20 minutes, I will scan the paper, pick up all the easy question first. Yeah, easy question, my favorite topic as well. I'll pick up all those things, easy question first. Among the complete scan the paper, but go from A to B, run from A to B, and then come back from B to A. This is the, trust me, the most common strategy. Most of the students, most of the teachers recommend the same strategy. Scan the paper, pick up all the easy questions, and while coming back in the next 20 minutes, we are going to do all the difficult questions which you have left. Let me repeat. We are going to do all the questions which you have left. And which question left which were very tough. And solving these questions will be a major chaos. This question. So you can survive this thing. But this part you are going to falter like anything. So half of the paper you're going to falter. See, if I tell you the paper is easy, but I give you a tough paper, at least you will try. Yeah. If you know this section last 20 minutes I'm going to do only tough question, then you will falter like anything. Yeah, this strategy will fail here. So the mock we are conducting on weekend. So every mock you have to follow. You can follow the Amir student strategy. Now, if you ask an Amir student, yeah, those who are good in quant or those who are good in DI logic, those who are good in verbal, yeah, verbal and quant की बात को मिली. Do you see कि पहले ज्योमेट्री करना कि पहले नंबर्स करना? नहीं, जो सामने दिख गया. Amir student never scan. गरीब स्टूडेंट हैव टू स्कैन. या गरीब स्टूडेंट इज लाइक अ गरीब स्टूडेंट कि मेरे को जहाँ जहाँ थोड़ा बहुत दिखा मैं उठाते जाऊँगा. Maximum student in the CAT quant section, what they're doing, grip student is sitting like this. Next, 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 next. ये भी नहीं आता, ये भी नहीं आता, ये भी नहीं आता, ये भी नहीं आता. So we waste a lot of time there. Yeah. So let me give you my strategy. This is a strategy which I am recommending for all the exams. I make my student follow this as well. I also use the same strategy when I was preparing for my exams. So Amir student in verbal section, what I'm going to do, the moment, because we don't know the number of questions which are going to come. Yeah, so I'm going to break my paper into two parts. So verbal section 1, 2, if the total number of questions, let's assume is 30, then first 15 question, then 16 to 30 question. Suppose the number of questions are 20, first 10 question, and then next 10 question. DILR same way, suppose the question number of questions are 22. So first 11 questions, second 11 question. I'm going to break my paper into two parts from between, and in this section आपको जो करना है करो. You want to pick up the favorite topic first, you want to pick up the easy first, जो भी scan करना you can scan in between them. What I'm doing is I'm creating 6 bubbles in the CAT paper, 6 buckets. Each bucket is equally important and each bucket I'm giving equal time. Yeah, whatever scanning have to be done, whatever you want to do in between this minute. And the best part of this strategy is, see, if you look at the topper or talk to any of the toppers, they say, अरे पहले स्कैन करो, पहले ये करेंगे, हम पहले वो करेंगे, pick up the all difficult thing. Your target should be 15 question correct in quant section, this question. While giving the exam, number 1, every question which you can solve is easy. If the question you are unable to solve, become tough. This is underwriting. Solution देखने के बाद we come to know the question easy or tough. But while solving, if you are unable to solve the question, everything is tough for me. Yeah. Point number 2. While giving the exam, you have no idea how many questions you've done correct. No one have a track to that. पता ट्रैक कौन करता? अमीर आदमी कभी ट्रैक नहीं करता. उल्टा आपको लगता होगा कि अमीर आदमी ट्रैक करता है, टॉपर की मेरे 12 हो गए, 13 हो गए. अमीर आदमी ट्रैक नहीं करता, गरीब ट्रैक करता है. मेरे 4 अटेम्प्ट हो गया कि 6 हो गया कि 8 हो गया कि 10 हो गया. गरीब स्टूडेंट ट्रैक हिज परफॉर्मेंस, लुक बैक टू चेक द स्कोर. Amir student never go back and check the score. So we have to behave like a Amir student. Yeah, I have 20 minutes. Whatever damage have to be done in this 20 minutes, we have to. If the paper is very tough, your attempt will automatically reduce. If the paper is very easy, your attempt will automatically go high. You don't need to worry about anything. And this strategy rock in every exam. Yeah, CAT, SNAP, and MAT, CET tak, I'm going to give you this strategy. We're going to play timer wise. So when you're giving the mock, you have to break the paper into 20 minutes के 6 section. आज के बाद जो करना है 20 मिनट्स में करना है, so that you get used to this timeline. CET as well will make the break the paper to 15 के slots. Yeah, whatever to do, I have to do in 15 minutes. Yeah, so this strategy will be improvised. I'm going to make a dedicated video for each of them so that we can rock in this strategy. In the meanwhile, this is the confirmation we have that no paper pattern will be disclosed. Till then, let's rock, let's prepare for the thing. Let's be prepared for any kind of thing. Trust me यार, 40 आए, 30 आए, 20 आए, तुम्हें फर्क नहीं पड़ना चाहिए. Your strategy should not falter. Timeline is not 20 minutes. If there's 30 question, I'll do 15. I'll try to look at 15 and do 5, 6, 10. You in 20 minutes you can attempt 5 to 6 question. आम आदमी, average person can do 5 to 6 question in 20 minutes आराम से. Yeah, CAT level का solve completed. Attempt you can do everything. 5 to 6, so total 12 attempt is a very good attempt in the CAT for average student. You can make it 18, you can make it 25. भाई तुम्हारे हाथ है 25 में 25 करके आओ. But 50% paper you can solve. You can try to solve. That should be a target right now, or that should be a target for average. Yeah, because 50% of paper correct is 99 percentile in the CAT exam. 50% question correct. Yeah, that should be our target on the exam day, not today. So right now our target is this. Yeah, 40% paper correct. 40% of the question correct is 95 percentile, and 33% question correct, 1/3 of paper correct is 90 percentile. So this is our target. So I'm going to break into parts. Easy, attempt will increase. Paper become tough, attempt will decrease. तुम्हें कुछ नहीं करना. You don't even have time to think about आगे जाना के पीछे जाना. If I can break the paper into parts. Yeah. So strategy number 1, do the favorite topic first. Advantages, disadvantages. Strategy number 2, easy question first, tough question afterward, based on the timer, not based on timer, is totally your wish. Problems is in case you are going to falter here. Problem with this strategy, obviously every strategy have their advantages and disadvantages. Problem is you have to practice this a lot. Yeah, and it's a typical Amir Lok strategy. So what I'm doing, recommending you now is let's combine up both the strategies and mix them into one. Yeah, I'm going to scan, pick up the favorite topics within 20 minutes. जो उखाड़ना है बेटा यहाँ उखाड़ना है. And this strategy might work for you. You can try this in the next few mocks and let's see if it works. All the best.